Stand by. Seven, 4, 3.
I had plenty more time. Just kind of rushing it there at the start, and then I realized that I had more time than that. Here we go.
Okay.
Stand by. Six, 6, 1.
I might have dropped one low.
You were going pretty fast too at the beginning, and then kind of did the same thing I did. You're going fast, and then realized, wait a minute, I can slow down a little bit.
Stand by. Seven, 4, 3.
I had plenty more time. Okay.
Stand by. Three, 9, 7. Okay.
Stand by.
Dropped one.
4, 2, 1. Okay.
Stand by. Three, 9, 7. It's like all it hits the knee.
Oh, did that wrong. Wrong one. I've never done that before. Okay.
Stand by. 218.
Fucking got it that time.
300. Nice.
Sweet. I like this trigger, dude. I like it a lot. I'm not getting hung up on it like I did the night tournament 2-stage. Stand by. .2. Okay.
Stand by. 218.
Fucking got it that time.
300. Nice.
Sweet. VTAC having half drill. Here's mine. This perfect 300. It's 10 points for each one. Got them all in there this time. And the time. Which last time I didn't. And here Thomas is.
Dropping one.
Got, yeah.
Nearly dropped 4.
One miss there. Right under. But that's with a 6-inch target though. And VTAC has 6-inch standards, Maxwell has 8-inch standards, so they're all different.